Lesson 11.1, Part 2. We're on 11.1, page 2. Use synthetic division to decide whether the given number is a zero of the polynomial. Looking at example 6, we want to know if 2 is a zero of this. Well, we can do synthetic division, but hey, I'm kind of lazy. I would rather just substitute 2 into this in place of x, put it in my calculator. If I get 0 for the answer, it's yes, and if I don't, it's no. So I've got 2 squared plus 3 times 2 minus 10. It always helps if you turn your calculator on, though. I have 2 squared plus 3 times 2 minus 10. I got 0. That means it's a yes, it is. Now I'm going to do the same thing for example 7. Be really careful and be sure that you put those parentheses around each of these numbers, because if you don't, you definitely won't get the right answer. So put this in your calculator exactly the way you see it. 2, open parentheses, negative 2, housetop 3 minus 3, open parentheses, negative 2 squared minus 5, open parentheses, negative 2, press enter. You get negative 18. The answer is no. Up here the answer was yes, because we got 0. That meant yes. When you divide and you get 0 for a remainder, that tells you what you divided by was a factor of what you divided into, or a zero of it, or a solution of it. All of those things. Now we got this imaginary number. We got this complex number. We want to know if it is a solution to this function that's given. Well, guess what? Just put it in your calculator. That's the easiest way I know to tell you to do it. Open parentheses, 1 minus 2. To get that I in your calculator, it's the second function of the period. 1 minus 2i in parentheses squared minus 3, open parentheses, 1 minus 2i, close parentheses, plus 3. I got negative 3 plus 2i. That makes this answer no. Because if I had gotten 0, it would be a yes, but since I didn't, it was a no. That's a good place to stop.